So let's talk about lower eyelid surgery, but more specifically eye bag surgery. So a lot of people have bags under their eyes. These can get puffy, these can make you look more tired, they can even make you look older. Eye bags are often genetic, so they run in the family, but they can also get worse if you're more tired, or maybe you're dehydrated, or even if you're puffy from things that you've been eating. There is a very great treatment for patients who have very persistent eye bags, and this is with lower eyelid surgery. For most patients who have very healthy, strong lower eyelids, so younger patients, the incision can be done completely behind the eyelid, so there's no incision or scar on the outside, and the fat is then removed. The line or the crease in this area can also be lifted, and some of the fat can be placed in there for a very nice, smooth final result. For patients who are maybe a little bit older or have a little bit more laxity or extra skin of the lower eyelid, an external approach can be used where the incision's made on the outside, but you get the extra benefit of a little bit of a lift and even removing some of the extra skin. After surgery, patients can expect to have visible swelling and bruising for around 2 to 3 weeks, but by 3 months, you're gonna look completely healed. In between that time though, a lot of people can just wear glasses or come up with an excuse like you have some allergies, because it's really not that bad. Most patients have very little pain, and that can just be controlled with Tylenol or Motrin, so it's a relatively easy surgery compared to a lot of other surgeries that people get. And ultimately, this is a rather affordable procedure because once you get the surgery done, you're unlikely to need it again in the future, because once the fat is removed, it doesn't really grow back. This also saves some patients a lot of money, because patients who continue to get fillers in this area to camouflage the area don't have to do that anymore. So in the long run, it might actually be cheaper to have the surgery rather than getting fillers.